sa Xiamen, China. So, 2018, nag-umpisa yung pagpadala namin ng project, ng work, pero na-delay because of the pandemic, na COVID. Tapos, in 2021, we thought umpisahan din siya, matatapos na siya, but then, yung mga workers didn't report for work dahil nga because of the COVID. So, we thought it will be done earlier, much earlier, pero it took another 2 or 3 years bago matapos. So, this place is called Vete. This is the first time na nagkakaroon kami ng launch na event. This is a space of Jonathan Mati. So, it will be a art and design showroom. So, we're showcasing my recent sculpture, Shoulder Wars, based on my 2015 oil painting.